We're all still in lockdown and there's not many places to go, so I'm back in the Sidlaws. Still great wee hills though, so I can't really complain too much. I'm going to do it a wee bit different today though, so stay tuned because you're not getting the same video as last time. Going over House Hill, then we're going to try and make our way to Kinpurney. The big tower is. I think it was an observatory at the time. You'd normally walk to Kinpurney from Newtile, start there, and you'd walk over the Sidlaws towards Dundee to get it. I'm starting my walk today at Balkello car park. Taking it from this angle, it'll be a wee bit more of an adventure because I don't think there's any paths. It's very different anyway because, well, there's only tiny wee patches of snow. So I lied, we're not going over House Hill first. We're going to head straight to Kinpurney and we're going to go back over House Hill. I'm actually getting the first views of the tower. I don't know if it will make out in the camera. I'll zoom in. I'm going to take a mental wee note here for a campsite. Looks like it could be quite good. Does that look trustworthy? Last chance of walking through some snow. It's just one of the many quarries that are up this area. Yeah. That's all your Sidlaws over there. So you've got King's Seat and Lundy Crags. It's all been very straightforward so far. We've managed to keep to a path the whole way. Some boggy bits, but it's all been fine. And seeing the tower over there, so I reckon we'll be there quite quickly. Most complicated style ever. This is us coming up to Kinpurney Hill with the tower on top of it. Absolutely amazing views. You can see House Hill over there. Your Angus Glens and your Cairngorms. So there's your trig point. And you've got the Schiehallion and Ben Lawers and Stook in the background there. And over here you've got all the Cairngorms and things. Absolutely stunning views. So this is Kinpurney Tower. It was built in 1774 by James Mackenzie, a keen astronomer, and used it as an observatory. It's a nice wee tower though. That's us heading home now. Nice wee cup of coffee and a sandwich at the top. Look at that har. Never went up House Hill. I was told that the car park shuts at 5, so we've got about half an hour to get back to the car, and I figured better play it safe. It shouldn't take us that long though. It's all downhill from here, so this wee bit here is where I had the drone out the last time I was up here, and it was waist deep in snow. Very different now. Going to close the car park. Made it back to the car with just a few minutes to spare. It's all good, the gates are still open, so I'm alright for heading home. Cheers!